Hello, today's video will be a tutorial on this eye makeup look. Please subscribe, like, comment, share. I'm going to start off by using this Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to be using this fluffy brush to actually blend that concealer in. And this brush just does an amazing job with the blending. You'll see that. And I'm going to blend until I'm satisfied with how it will be looking. So just watch and see. And I decided to put this video on a zoom so that you can be able to see clearly. So next I'm going to be using this shade from Morphe eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to start from my crease going all the way to my brow bone. And next I'm going to be using this dark brown shade, and I'm going to concentrate it from my crease going all the way to my outer corner or my outer V. So I apply as a blend, apply as a blend, apply as I blend. And then next I'm going to be using this clean brush, and this is just to blend the two shades together. Then use this concealer from Elegant to just draw a cut crease. And I'm going to be using this flat brush to actually cut crease. Next I'm going to be using this shade. This is a matte too, and I'm going to just apply it exactly where I drew my cut crease, just there. Next I'm going to apply this shade. This is the dark brown that I was using before, so I'm just going to deepen my outer V. Next, I'm going to be using this Maybelline eyeliner to actually line my lash line, and I always raise my eyebrows just to ensure that I don't have any spaces left behind, because I have a lot of skin around my lash line. So whenever I don't raise my brows, I end up having a lot of spaces. But just raising my brows just makes the application very smooth. I don't end up having any spaces left behind. Just it for the eyeliner. Next I'm going to be using a black eyeshadow from the Morphe eyeshadow palette and just concentrate it around my outer V. I'm going to apply my falsies and do the rest of my makeup. I'm then going to be using this shade on my lower lash line. This is just to create an illusion that my eyes are actually big, but I don't have big eyes. I have very tiny eyes. So I'm just going to create an illusion that I have big eyes. And next I'm going to be using a dark brown shade. This shade, the same one I was using on the top part, and I'm going to just apply it slightly below where I applied that first shade. Next I'm going to be using this. This is how you do your mascara. You just look like you're scratching them. So this mascara that I'm using is from Maybelline, and just makes your lashes look a little bit bigger. You could see that my lashes were not even visible, but using this mascara just makes them look a little bit longer. And this mascara has lasted me for quite a long time. I thought it was actually finished, but since it wasn't. So next I'm going to be using this other mascara. This is also from Maybelline, and this one is just to make your lashes look a little bit thicker and have a lot of volume, because I didn't look like I even had any lashes. My lashes don't have a lot of volume, but using this mascara just makes your lashes look like they have a lot of volume. So next I'm going to be using this brush to apply a shimmery shade around my tear duct. And at this point you can actually see my eyes are even looking bigger, and my lower lash line is also visible. The eye makeup is just looking well put together. And guys, this is the final look. You can see the eyeshadow there. I didn't do any outro or intro, but you can see the eye makeup is just top notch. Thank you guys. Subscribe, and until next time, bye.